Muandiki mukwatanithya kyamani cha UDA muyumbe wa Mwala Vincent Kawaya Musyoka niwakan'ya minista wa Labour Dr. Alfred Mutua asuvie kana enuke vala wamutaa akunze chama chake cha Maendeleo Chap Chap nikwithiwa ivinda niyukite vala ukulasimika ekeu kana enuke kana ekune utee nikwithiwa niw'o wasya wa President William Ruto. Kawaya ena mokulyo maito yulu wa kiloko wetata kivuthia Mutua withitwe ayonania mbumbanoni syake kwa kuendeya kukunia maleve uteti wa ulei vandu va kuthosya sera cia musumbi Ruto vala waweta miaka isu yonthe Mutua wethi wa minista vaikindwo na kimwe wonania kimutethetie mukamba Benjamin Mwaka na mauvu.
Ndongoi wa chama cha UDA na wasi wa ndongoi nthini wa Silikali kumelembetania ukamba na wavuthisia mupano ila CS Mutua withitwe itwa ise cia ngwatanio ya ukamba bila kwisila Muandiki mukwatanithya kyamani cha UDA muyumbe wa Mwala engineer Vincent Musyoka Kawaya ukuweta sithitwe makumano ma chama cha Maendeleo Chap Chap si uteti wake mbae na itena wito na umwe yulu wa kila Silikali ya President William Ruto viendesye cha kumuna mukamba.
The big question is kwa Mutua is Kalonzo an opponent or proponent, or what is he, for instance? And therefore nicho kuwa na hithi umbanoni, but because he's scared, doesn't know even what the crowd is supposed to say, he starts by appeasing, by talking about other people. Lakini yuke tho mundu wogela ambio tabia ndoi hey Kalonzo ne wendai yai na Kalonzo okele kuna Silikali la uandikitwe niyo. What are you telling us? Wogela si Kalonzo kwatai what we serve Kalonzo he kana we serve president. I think it just shows that he is ahead ndio we ani kabisa pa ukweti we all ukweti ni 2027 atona kumobilize atandu kenda o kainge with na one or two people utona utumia ku negotiate kukwata another position. Kila twithite tuyona ni Mutua ainene ya muno yulu ayo opposition be wa Silikali wogela umbanoni wazya Kalonzo ne wendaya muzumbe umangwa kile vinda yona yumangwa nginandu makasaba seto masanduko coffins na ndo asya muzumbe ane wendaya. So who are you serving? And I want to assure you we are monitoring closely as a party. Some of these characters who are using these positions to fight for their own personal interest, it is just a matter of time. It is just a matter of time. At some point even the cabinet yo nde okay nundu wangu yo yuko na zina Mutua ekithe onenge tokivila nambe weamba umina mwaka muima kana myaka ya luta umila ukamba naweza kumila uruka unene ya Kalonzo ne wendai ya uruka unene ya Chap Chap na uruka moko mathei utakuita mawe amazi ana zitu na we minister wa Labour nuo ungamia mawe uruka mathei una tourism uruka paika indu na kabisa kama ka wa munyu kana ka kuwe Mombasa witho wa monize ka link ka mabisa monu mathogwa uruka moko mathei na woko itwa Kalonzo ne wendai ya tote ziruto wa ne wendai ya. No, I expect business to be everything to be business as usual. It will not.
Kawaya heweta Maendeleo Chap Chap ni chama kitena wito na umwesa valini ya kumanda tamu wake wa President William Ruto na nongi na Mutua akunze chama ki na Kulika nthini wa UTE mwolotola cia maingi bingi nthini wa ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza ciambiie kwika ta cha ANC.
Ni tu ku appreciate kana Kenya Kwanza ina many players very independents na the main players which is the UDA na also very small parties na these small parties nita siama hizi thoazi cia ndweli ta Chap Chap if indeed he supports the president fully then baina kituma maka ndweli kata foldiwa edwa chama kinene ni munonie the other day what Musali has done. It just tells you that if somebody is not willing to fold chama cha ndweli and another motive decision ya ku fold chama cha Chap Chap the moko ni ma Mutua, but without any fear of contradiction it is the intention ya president that twamatoto muthemba wa twamatoto wa Mutua twaile ukunzwa nundu they represent nothing but the same tribal politics ila twenda run away from. And in person he has even mentioned to the members of parliament serving even in Chap Chap that it is only fair that to the kumemwe if we mean well keva no trust ya musumbi while mu trust fully kana eva no ubita nake na vetho be challenge itho na challenge nake lakini tikwithia kukuma kuiba na kukula kungi kuibaya. And therefore if Mutua doesn't heed to that then obviously that decision is not within my hands alone. It is a decision to be made by our party leader, who is the president, and who is also the appointing authority. Na munonie Musalia, the direction he took, I would want to advise the others to take the same route.
Kumuthanani wa iso hatongo yo ndelame Silikalini kuma ilembetania ukamba vamwe na ayumbe alame ukwata mbau silikali mana inaomba no munene wa vamwe kuswania yulo thukuma President William Ruto ilembetani thi kukunikila chata ila President waandikanie na county tatu sio kamba na mivango ya ndambuka ya musumbi aki maendeleo ilembetani thi ni thiende.
If we wanted the president to visit us as soon as next week, I'm sure the president will visit us. But would it be timely? Would it achieve the intended purpose to its fullest? And therefore, nichongwenda tukwatanithya onthe withiatina wasyo mwe utewo seleke, wasyo utewo seleke ukethia twiba tuende tenene tondu mwe, lakini we baabe twindo twakuthosya kando. And therefore, as government officials, senior government officials katika region yitu yokamba na ala tunakomanite we witu ala twinaguo ni ku identify miradi onthe ala tuendesie ground nelengi katika pipeline tuthenge mwene nthu tumwe tuyanziye ki bekingi chukite twenda tumunenge na twamina twimuziba mutunenge kura cia musumbi. That is what we want.
Kawaya na atongo'ya mena makulyo maito yulwa mutuo wa minista Dr. Alfred Mutua na ayupe make mwengi mutuse wa kibwesi chodhilono asua na Caleb Mule wa Machakos Town alamumbanoni isyo syao yumetuke methi tumekunia maleve utetu wolei wa Kalonzo Musyoka na kunai cha maoneni makivudhia kinge kwa Silikali.
Na nenge nienda utavya mutuse ayakani yakivudhia ni twamunenga mathango ba mbunge Aume makuimpiche Gachagua niona nitonene vye muno, lakini heshima ni important muno kesa thiani adumu tusakwito masabale maingine kwithia atitwe kalana heshima ako undu wa kusoma mathango tune undu noithe twa decide no wa kusoma na tweza unengo muno undu chayo kiandike kitho cha somi wono anybody na therefore kusoma mathango utwikia ni utindo thini andu koguo nthe wa somie mathango. Let us now concentrate on delivering to the people. Chukila na ndo no kumu advise tiesi esobiane muno na musimba na langi na mbaluka ndasobiane amo muno ndaketho first time one time MP ako ni tutethesiano mageti chuchake ndo utethesiano mageti ila ingi sikalilo na yumbe tina tibangite muno na timo connected tutono utethesiano zaidi magathi mageti isume kalila
vilingwa mauvo kumavamo sini lovi nye dita wa Benjamin na mwaka